Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off blocking software updates via USB port or cable in Samsung Galaxy 24 Plus phone. So where to look for our protections? First, we need to open our phone settings. Then in settings we are looking for security and privacy menu. Next we need to scroll to auto blocker. And here at the bottom we have our blocked software updates via USB cable, as you can see. So this option will be grayed out if the auto blocker function is disabled. As you can see here, now we cannot change anything. So first it needs to be on, and now we can pretty much turn on or off whatever we want. And for some reason we want to have unsecure USB port, so we can turn this option off. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.